Hello friends, so welcome to my channel Technos and Science. So I'm going to show you how to get a clear new tab page at the Chrome. Whenever you open a new tab page, you get the Google and other things also like this. You are getting this on my screen. I'll show you how to get the clear new tab page. So type in clear new tab page. Here it is. Now scroll down and go to Chrome Web Store. Now click on Edit to Chrome and this will install this clear new tab page in your PC. Now as I have installed this earlier, so I will go to extensions, more tools than extensions, and I will just click it on. So you have to click this button on, then you have to go to details, then scroll down to extension options, then choose file, and you have to browse down your file here. So I've got my image here. Now you have to just cross it and then open your new tab page and it will like this. So thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.